Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I season up my chicken legs or thighs, chicken thighs. First I'm gonna add some salt. I already had a little bit, but I'm gonna add, and remember, it's according to your taste. Okay, salt, ketchup, mustard, cayenne pepper, this parsley leaf flakes. You could put how much you need to. I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder, I like the flavor, right? I'm gonna add some sugar, I'm gonna add some cube powder, some complete seasoning, and last but not least, orange. So I will be making some orange chicken, okay? Then I'm gonna get by the clean hands and we're gonna massage this good. All right, and we're gonna leave this to marinate all in between here. Give it a little cut and let the meat get all over. The seasoning must get good into this bowl here. I'm gonna leave it to marinate. Now you could left it for 2-3 hours, or you could do it next day, which I prefer. All right, so this is it. Leave it for marinade until next day. Stay tuned. So I have to finish seasoning up this chicken and leave it to marinate for a day. I will be ready to bake this chicken. So I have the oven at 355 degrees. You can put it at 350, and I'm gonna bake this. All right, and when I finish baking it and all the liquid dissolve, I will be basting this chicken legs, thighs, with some orange and lemon glaze. So I will show you guys how I do this. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this. I'm just gonna put this into the oven now, and then I will show you the next step. Stay tuned, and remember, this can all use for your Thanksgiving, right? Hey Jude, this is the juice that come out from the chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, and you could see that I have half of orange juice that I in here. I'm gonna add some salt to your taste. I'm sorry if this I'm holding the camera in my hand so it's moving. Sorry about that. Just a little bit of salt. I'm going to add some honey. Alright. Optional. Remember that, okay? I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. I'm going to give you all the measurements and the amount. And again, it all depends on how much you wanted to put. Alright. Are you ready? You see this we're floating here? It's from the orange. But I'm not just leaving it right in it because it's going right back into the I'm gonna taste it. Put it right back into the oven. So this is the chicken, right? See the color? So I'm gonna add the all over it. And I'm gonna put it right back into the oven. But before I do so, I'm gonna put the orange all over it. This is one fresh orange. I washed it before I so now I'm gonna put this back in the oven. So stay tuned. This is it. Still cracking. Any cracking sound, still cooking. See? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Please don't skip the ad. And as we all aware of the coronavirus keeps spreading, and we have to be very, 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 very careful. So we have to continue doing what we know, which is washing our hands, sanitize our house and our loved one. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Be safe. Love you. Bye-bye.